It's no secret that African print has taken the fashion world by storm. With celebrities like India Arie, Nicole Ari Parker, Michelle Obama, and Estelle rocking Ankara, it's clear that this trend is here to stay. Thanks to Anika Hobbs of Nubian Human Boutique, it's now easier to find beautiful, contemporary African print clothing in the Washington, D.C. area. Anika is a passionate social entrepreneur whose commitment to changing lives through sustainable fashion drives her passion and her profits.
My name is Anika Hobbs. I'm the owner and chief curator of Nubian Human Boutique in Washington, D.C. You know, the interesting thing is I wasn't always interested in fashion. I went to school for design, for interior design. And then when I graduated, my mom was like, you better get a job. So I started working for H&M. During that journey, I started to really love fashion. I saw how it mixed with art and design. And then I realized that I really wasn't finding what I wanted to wear on the racks. It's kind of been this journey of finding things that I really love and bringing it for everyone. I would say what has kept me going is the love of it. Just having a love for what you do and knowing that it's so much bigger than you, it's a blessing, it's a gift. That for me has been the thing that's kept me going. There's always going to be a challenge, so it's embracing that challenge. It's seeing it as a new opportunity for you to grow. I know every time I have a challenge, when I look back, I think about how much I've been able to learn, who I've been able to meet, who actually, is really a supporter of your business. I know for me, support it wasn't necessarily from the people that were always the closest to me. It was more so people who just kind of saw what I was doing and said, hey, I want to be a part of that. And I think kind of taking those moments and really making the most of those moments is what makes the difference. My faith is everything. I think for business, you've got to understand that it's something that continuously changes. You're not always going to have a plan for everything that you get into. Some of the things that you ask for will come to you, and it might be bigger than you're ever used to. You have to be strong on your faith and know what your purpose and your promise is while you're here, and trust that that is what's going to guide you through your process. Some words of wisdom I would have for women is to not give up. There's always going to be difficulties, there's always going to be challenges, but that's just part of the course of the journey. And then as women, we can do whatever it is that we aspire to do. I know a lot of times there's this box that they try to fit us in as far as how to be a woman and how to act like a lady, but in business, you have to be a shark. So in order to be a shark, you've got to swim with the sharks. If you want business, then you have to go hard and remove your emotions, remove your feelings, but really, really go for what you truly believe you're here to do. And so I think that's the thing I want to give anyone, but women most importantly, is that we're here for a purpose and you got to go after it. And know that nothing should stop you from your purpose. So that would be my biggest advice.
Anika is proof positive that sometimes finding your passion requires you to take a few detours before you get to exactly where you're supposed to be. Thank you for joining us for this bold and fearless profile. We hope you've been informed, inspired, and motivated to live your own life boldly and fearlessly. God bless.